In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Trust Wallet to Blombard. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to establish a connection of your Blombard account and your Trust Wallet account. This will allow you to transfer assets back and forth between them. So, to start, all that you have to do is from the home screen, tap on the option to claim any currency that you have. This will send the amount that is available on your currency here to your exchange account. So I recommend sending the max if you have a bunch of tokens here. Once you withdraw them into your exchange account, go to the exchange platform. So you can tap here, or you can go over to the wallet by tapping on the option at the middle bottom of the screen. Upon going into your wallet, you will see the exchange wallet available once again, and all that you have to do is tap on the amount that you have available. Now you will see all of the accounts listed, including the amount that you have in BLM that you just transferred. So now once you have the Blombard available here, double check to see if you have the amount that you sent over. And if everything was sent over to the exchange platform, you can now choose the option to withdraw. This will allow you to send the Blombard into another exchange wallet, including, of course, the Trust wallet. So tap on this option to withdraw. Upon tapping withdraw, you will select the coin. So double check to see if you selected BLM. The transfer network should update automatically, and now the most important thing is the recipient's BLM address. To acquire this address, go into Trust Wallet, choose the option to manage your tokens, and add BLM. Now tap on BLM from the home screen, choose the option to receive, and you will be presented with the QR code and the wallet address itself that you can copy to finish making this transaction. So choose the option to copy this wallet address, paste it within Blombard, and you will be able to establish a connection and get the transfer started. I recommend sending a small amount first, and then if it goes through, you can send the rest. Be aware of any included fees. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Trust Wallet to Blombard. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.